So how do you show double browser on your iPad? Let's get started. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe and you're not going to miss anything important. So one by one, there are a few things which we need to do. At first, make sure your iPad is running the latest version like iPad OS 26 ideally, because all of the things I'm going to show you are going to apply to this version. And since we are still inside of the settings, make sure to find the multitasking and gestures option there. And your iPad might be set to full screen apps only, or windowed apps, or even a stage manager. So to use the double browser, it's ideal to use the windowed apps. So make sure you have that selected. You can leave the app as usual, and now just open up the Safari web browser. You can see we have the internet as usual. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab the corner like this, and I have a floating window. Now I'm going to swipe down a little bit from the top for the things to appear like that. And as you can see, I tap on the file option, click on a new window, and another Safari browser tab. I mean, it's not even a tab, it's just an entire window. It's going to appear like that. I can move it around, I can resize it, and it just works nice. Like I can even add more windows on the top of that, so it doesn't have to stay at just a double browser. You can make it triple or even more. So this is pretty useful, and now you can just utilize both like websites or whatever you want to do with this. So it's pretty simple. It works like that on my iPad, but again, I'm running the latest iPad OS 26. In the iPad OS 18, it didn't really work that way, so it's kind of important to update, but that's it from me. Hit a thumbs up if it worked, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.